The Buoyancy Flotation Metacentric interactive calculator solves complex marine stability problems, including buoyant forces, displacement volumes, and vessel stability parameters. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate buoyant force, calculate volume displacement, calculate metacentric height GM, calculate righting moment, calculate draft from weight, or calculate freeboard and reserve buoyancy. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Buoyant Force. Enter your fluid density in kilograms per cubic meter, submerged volume in cubic meters, and gravity in meters per second squared. Additional fields include buoyant force in newtons, waterplane moment of inertia, center of buoyancy height, center of gravity height, heel angle in degrees, vessel displacement in tons, waterplane area, total hull depth, and current draft. Using our test values, fluid density 1025, submerged volume 250, and standard gravity 9.81. The calculator returns 5 critical outputs. Buoyant force equals 25,13812.50 newtons or 25m3.81 kilonewtons. Displaced mass equals 256250 kilograms. Equivalent displacement shows 256.25 tons. Specific weight calculates to 155.25 newtons per cubic meter. The status confirms the vessel can support 256.3 tons at this draft. This tool streamlines stability calculations for naval architects and marine engineers. Find the link in the description below.